We have opened the state-of-the-art laboratory here at the heart of Amsterdam's innovation hub to receive scientists from all over Europe and beyond. Our mission is to map the universe of biology. As a pioneer in the field of spatial biology, NanoString enables scientists across the globe to envision molecular interactions in 3 dimensions with 3 different systems: the Encounter Analysis System, the GeoMx Digital Spatial Profiler, and the Spatial Molecular Imager. All technologies are available at our new CX Lab. Come and visit us. Take advantage of our activities at the NanoString CX Lab to learn about spatial multiomics, from sample prep to data analysis. Our experts are ready to support you on your experimental design to achieve best results. Visit our website and learn about our activities. NanoString is looking forward to seeing you and to support your research.